Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on your Studio 4D for you. Yeah, a beautiful home for your Samsung Galaxy Note 3. On this video, you can download this ROM. It's free for you, and you can like or subscribe right now. Wow! Because after this video, I will make a new video to show you the test review of this ROM. This video is the installing review for you. Yeah, beautiful ROM for Samsung Galaxy for you. Okay, follow me. Come here. DILSHAD home. Okay, welcome. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy to see you today. Look at this. What a shock. So powerful. Open my fields and look at this. This is an ace ROM. Okay. The ROM that I want to install today is okay, thank you. DILSHAD ROM. Okay, V10. Copy this ROM before on a mobile and install TWRP, and it is done. Make sure that you are charged your mobile, power off your mobile, and wait a few minutes. Okay, enter to TWRP, select this on button, hold on button, power button in the same time. Don't wait a few minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let this. Thank you. Wait a few minutes. Okay, welcome on TWRP. Yeah, I'm so happy to see you today. Now you can click on whip, advanced whip. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. And do this. Welcome. Click on home here. Okay, and click on install. See the ROM that you have copied before on your mobile. Look at this is DILSHAD ROM V10. Select this and do this. Thank you. As you see, this ROM open. Okay, wait a few minutes. Okay, welcome. Now you can configure this ROM and install this. Click on next, next again, next again, next again. Agree here, next again. Look at next again. You can select your camera here. Okay, and you can select what you need here. I recommend you to let this and click on next and install now. Thank you. Wait a few minutes for the installation of this ROM. Alright, we continue. Wait a few minutes for the installation of this ROM. You can also subscribe on this video, under this video, okay, and you can also like this video. Beautiful. Wait a few minutes for the installation. Wait again, few minutes, wait again. After this, your mobile will reboot many times. Don't worry, it's normal. Let me to zoom here. Thank you. So beautiful. Wait a few minutes. Okay, we continue. Installing data. Okay, we continue. Look at this. What a shock. It's so powerful. 80%. Oh, what a shock. Don't worry. Wait a few minutes. Wait a few minutes again. Wait a few minutes. As you see, result was installed. Okay, was installation completed. Okay. If you meet with problem, you need to do the action that I want to do after. Okay. And if you have okay, do this. Click on reboot system now. Okay, wait a few minutes again. Wait a few minutes to see what is the change. Okay. Samsung. Okay. Welcome. Look at. So beautiful. Beautiful put animation for you. Look at this. Wait a few minutes for installation of this beautiful ROM for you. Wait a few minutes again. Welcome. Wow. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Here you can choose your language. What a shot. Let me to do this today. Look at this. Wow. Change your language. Yeah. English. Alright, click on start now to configure your mobile. Next, again, agree. Next again. More, next again. Thank you. Let me to go. Skype. Skype again. Thank you. Wait a few minutes again, everybody. Thank you. What a shock. What is this? What is this? Wow. It's so beautiful. Look at. Okay. Let's go now to the next video, the test review of this ROM for you. Remember, subscribe under this video and download this video and download this ROM. And now let's go now to the next video, the test review of this ROM. I will show you the new feature of this new ROM. Wow, look at this setting. Beautiful. About device, wonderful. Look at this application, so nice. Thank you so much. Let's go now to the next video, the test review of this ROM. Wow, look at this, wonderful. Go subscribe today for the next video.